Hi, it's Zach here, and my processing project is titled Winter Lights. I was inspired during the TIES conference during the session titled Anyone Can Teach Coding. It was a presentation by Chris Elwell, and she went through making a house with the class, and I'll share some resources that I got from her that are very useful on teaching open processing. So now we'll go into what my project looks like on Winter Lights. So you can see this project looks rather simple, even though it took me a long time to create. I have a house here with a doorknob, a couple of windows, a chimney, and then I also have a moon into the right side. I have image of a not so detailed snowman, and then my if conditional is when the mouse is clicked that it's going to light up appearing like it has lights on the house. Now let's go look at the code for this project. I just have a standard function set up for this project. Then for the function draws, I have lights, house, roof, chimney, snowman, and the moon. So my conditional for this project is for the lights. So the function is lights, and if the mouse is pressed, it will show this bright yellow color. Otherwise, it's going to show the original stroke of black. For the function for the house, I filled it this shade of brown color, and you can see where the main part of the house is located and the dimensions. Um, a rectangle was used for the door, a point was used for the doorknob, and rectangles were used for the windows. Now, for the function for the roof, I did it another shade of brown, a different shade. I used a triangle for that part. And for a lot of these parts, I made extra notes to help me through the process and keeping my work organized. Then next I have a function for the chimney, and I decided to make a chimney because I thought that was a good way to try out making a quad. Um, so that's being made by the four different uh, vertexes of a quad, and I did that to make a chimney and did that kind of a maroon color. Now here's the function for the snowman. I had it fill just white, the bottom part of the snowman, the middle part, the head, the top part of the hat, the bottom part of the hat. And then finally, I have a function for the moon, the color that I filled that with, and that was an ellipse for the moon part. So I know my project looks rather simple, but took me a long time to make this because I have a big learning curve on using open processing, but I did learn a lot from this project. Thanks for watching my tutorial.